At Dick Van Dyke Appliance World in Champaign, we'll beat any competitor's deal. We'll beat any competitor's deal on refrigerators and freezers, and washers and dryers, ranges, microwaves, and dishwashers. I guarantee the best deal on your next appliance purchase.
Angela's trying to decide to get this Kitchenaid built-in dishwasher from Dick Van Dyke or the big mall store. Dick Van Dyke has same-day service.
They don't.
A free 5-year protection plan.
They don't.
Both built-in dishwashers are the same, but after delivery and warranty, we'll save her $315. She's buying from Dick Van Dyke Appliance World.